Upload your CV and documents to www.jobswarhan.com and get Gulf Job faster.
Hello friends. We welcome you back to this channel, which is Aziz for Jobs. Today we have come up with a job requirement for Saudi Arabia. So let's start with details. Yes friends, now we have urgent requirement for building construction project in Saudi Arabia. So which positions are required now? We are required project manager, civil and MEP, site manager, civil and MEP, construction manager, civil and MEP, accounts and finance manager, civil QA/QC manager, Saudi Aramco approved. Civil QA/QC Inspector, Saudi Aramco approved. Senior Procurement Engineer, engineering experience. Electrical Engineer or Electrical and Instrumentation Engineer. Senior Design Engineer, Civil and MEP. Project Quantity Surveyor, Civil. AutoCAD Draftsman, Civil. Civil Supervisor. Cost Estimation, Quantity Surveyor and Tendering Manager, Civil and MEP. Cost Estimation, Quantity Surveyor and Tendering Engineer, Civil and MEP. Project Engineer, Civil and MEP. Senior Planning and Scheduling Engineer, Civil. Procurement Manager or Senior Procurement Engineer, engineering experience. And Senior Electrical Engineer. So, above all, should have minimum 10 years experience in building construction and MEP project. And Gulf experience is must. What is mode of interview? There will be client interview in Bangalore on the 8th of March 2018. How to apply for this requirement? To apply this job requirement, please send your CV on rec19@asmix.net. And subject line should be in this format. YT: position applied building construction Saudi Arabia. Otherwise, please report in our office with CV and all documents. Address is given in description. And if above requirement is not matching to your profile, please share this video to your friends to help them. Thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe this channel and strike on bell icon to get future job notification.